everyone, and welcome back to our Coffee Break episode 2. We are here with Giulia, our technical support manager, and today we are going to focus on after-sales support services and how they play a crucial role in ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. So Giulia, how does support services enhance the performance of an ORC power plant? And could you provide an example?
Yeah, thank you, Camilla, for the invitation. After-sales support for us means providing our customers with the consultancy and the expertise to operate and maintain an ORC plant at the top of its potential. This includes analyzing the plant operating parameters to provide tailored maintenance schedules and recommendations for our customers to maximize the electric production of their plants. One example, for instance, heat exchangers require cleaning, and their cleaning frequency does vary with the specific project. So internal pipes of heat exchangers have a falling rate that depends on the geothermal source composition, and similarly also the external tube bundles of air-cooled condenser have a falling that depends on the environmental conditions. So in these cases, one of the services that we provide is to analyze the plant performance and provide customized recommendations on the cleaning frequency, which is crucial to maximize the plant efficiency.
Okay, and what are some common challenges you face in after-sales support on site, and how do you manage them?
Thank you, Camilla. That's a really good question. So when I'm on field for service activities, I think one of the greatest challenges is to come up with timely solutions to unexpected issues. And these circumstances require me both to have a deep technical understanding, which I learned from my engineering background, but I also further develop every day working in the world of ORC. And it also requires me a fair dose of pragmatism, because the practical approach which I trained every day is crucial to provide effective solutions and meet the customer satisfaction.
Okay, and what are the best practices for ensuring continuous optimal maintenance in an ORC power plant?
Well, the best practices include some periodic checks and monitoring tasks that are often neglected, but if performed effectively and regularly, can save a lot of time and money. These tasks span from very simple visual checks performed by plant operators to more specialized maintenance activities, which include the condition monitoring with vibration analysis, thermal camera surveys, which allow to detect possible failures in advance and hence implement corrective actions. So I think I really believe predictive maintenance is the key to provide the best plant performance and reduce the plant outages.
Giulia, how do you guarantee rapid assistance and effective troubleshooting in power plant operation, especially in remote locations?
Nowadays, technology helps a lot. Most of our customers have their plant connected in a network where we can access and we can monitor the plant status from remote. So thanks to this system, we can respond promptly to customers' requests of service. We can connect to the plant, investigate any causes of faults, any active alarms, and in case further information is needed for the troubleshooting, we can get in touch with the plant operators simply by phone or video call, and we can investigate further. So in this way we can be very close and very effective for our customers, even from thousands of kilometers away.
Okay, Giulia, one last question. What is the typical lifetime of an ORC power plant, and what is the usual timeline for maintenance intervention required?
Well, ORC power plants are designed for over 25 years of operation, and during their lifetime, the main maintenance steps regard the wear parts of rotating machinery, namely the mechanical seal of the feed pumps and the bearings, and the turbine mechanical groups, which require substitution every 4 to 5 years, and the generator bearing, which requires replacement once in a 10-year period.
Thank you, Giulia, for your time and for your insights, and now let's enjoy a coffee together.
Thank you.